Hey. Are you trying to cough or laugh, buddy? Huh? Are you trying to cough or laugh?
Yeah. She said laugh.
Are you trying to cough or laugh?
Cough and laugh.
Say,
It's Hoboken all over again. Listen, my name is Mary, and you all talk to me now. Everyone, you do what I say when I say it. Have you ever heard of one adorable?
are you trying to cough or laugh, buddy? Huh?
Trust me, baby, I'm not the hugging type. I'm the do what I say or
Isn't that funny, buddy? I knew he would laugh. He laughed before. And did you see that happy picture? Remember that happy picture, Connie? Yeah.
You trying to laugh or cough? Say, Say,
Barry is a poison dart frog. His skin is drenched in paralyzing poison.
So nobody can touch Barry, ever. Yes, he really is the hugging type. That's sad.
Yeah, boo-hoo. How about Eureka's bag normal?
I love you. I love you.
Normal.
I love you.
Hello.
I love you.
Why does the Peruvian booty smell like armpits?
He's holding on to me.